People, 1 day chart is bullish. In the last weeks we are pushing up and we are retesting the local highs. That update was several hours ago, and as you can see we keep on pumping and we are about to close the daily candle, so everyone wants to know the next targets. Hello, welcome back to a new update. Today we're gonna talk about the next targets for some different coins, and we are starting with people. If we'll get rejected, then my first target is around 2 to 3 cents, and my main resistance target is around 10 cents, which is very close to here. That was my target since the bottom, and we are about to reach it. We might even reach it in the next few hours, so I'm looking forward for that. TON 1 week chart is bullish. We are still moving in the same range and we are forming a small pattern on. We can get a big move very soon. If we will get rejected, then my first target is around $4 to $5, but if we will continue to pump, then my next target is around $10 to $12. ONDO 1 day chart is bullish. We are testing the local highs and it looks like we are trying to pump again. We are getting a very bullish daily candle, so we might even pump to my target in the next days. But if we'll get rejected, my next support target is around 45 to 50 cents, and if we'll continue to pump, then my next target is around $1.5. PONKE 1 day chart is bullish. We are getting a small correction and we can retest the moving average soon. If we'll get rejected, then my first support target is around 15 to 20 cents. But if we will manage to pump, then my next target is around $1 to $1.2. TAO 1 day chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping and we might retest this range. We finally broke out of this falling wedge pattern and it looks like we are getting ready for an impulsive move, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, because if we will get rejected, then I expect a big move down. So my next target is around $280, but if we will continue to pump, then my next target is around $800. SLOTHANA 4-hour chart is bearish. We keep on dumping hard and we hit my support target exactly as I predicted. In the previous updates I told you that if we break this trend line, then I expect us to dump to my support target around 2k units, and we finally hit my support target. Right now we are trying to bounce, but if we will get another rejection, then my next target is around 1k units, and if we will manage to pump from here, then my first target is around 5 to 6k units, which is the upper range area. PEPE 4-hour chart is bullish. We should retest the moving average in the next hours, and if we'll hold it, we can pump to my target. As you can see, we got a small retest and we started to pump again. That was my update in the second channel, and as you can see we are moving exactly as I expected. But if we'll get rejected from here, my next support target is around 900k units, and if we'll continue to pump, then my next target is around 2 million units. PEPE 2 4-hour chart is bullish. In the last days we are pumping again and we are getting close to the resistance zone. I told you in the previous updates that if we'll break these local highs, then I will turn bullish. So I'm bullish right now, and as you can see, we are holding the moving average and we are trying to pump again. So it is very much possible for us to hit my next upside targets. But if we'll get rejected, then my first target is around 35 to 40k units. If we'll continue to pump, then my first target is around 90k units, which is in this resistance area. MANTA for our chart is bearish. We broke up from this falling wedge, but we are still fighting with the resistance. This is our main resistance area right now. If we will break this range, then I expect us to pump hard. But as long as we are below these zones, we are still more bearish and we can keep trending down. So if we will get rejected, my next support target is around $1.2. But if we will pump from here, then my next target is around $3.5 to $4, which is a pretty massive pump. EGLD 1-day chart is bearish. In the last week we are trying to break up, but we are still fighting with the moving average. As you can see, we got rejected once again, but I believe a big move is coming very soon. We are forming this range and we should get an impulsive breakout out of it in the next weeks. If we will get rejected from here, then my next target is around $30. But if we will manage to pump, then my next target is around $65 to $75, which is the top of this range, and that's the target for this pattern. That's gonna be it for today. Go watch the first part if you missed it. I talked about some different coins over there. Of course, I'm going to keep updating you with these crypto infos, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.